Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to guide you on the platform called Vidu AI. Enter Vidu AI on your search bar and click. Click Try Vidu at the top right corner and sign in with your Google account. Please note you are not limited to only signing up with your email. You could also use your phone number as well. This is what the home screen looks like. Click Create Video. We are now within the website's workshop, where you can transform words and pictures into short videos. This site creates content from your text effortlessly. We are using the free version. You can upgrade your plan in this section to tailor your needs. Let's try the features. I'm going to upload an image. While that's being done, let's navigate to Text to Video panel. You can type in anything. If you would like ideas, click Inspire Me. Let's also click Create to generate our short video with the suggestion. Okay, we're going to wait a while. If you had the paid version, it will be instantly. Here's the video. You could re-edit, try the upscale function, or download the video when you click into the video. You can even delete the video. The site auto saves your creations so you can pick up where you left off. Connect to their social platforms as well. Try this AI video generator today.